Batch export can save a lot of time, but it also introduces one important risk: duplicate output file names. If two parts, assemblies, drawings, or configurations generate the same export name, one file could overwrite another, or the final release folder could become confusing and unreliable. In this video, I will show how Solidise helps prevent that problem before automation starts. I will show how Solidise detects issues before export automation starts. Instead of running the batch immediately and risking overwritten or incorrect output files, Solidise first checks the planned export results. For example here, we can already see that we have two identical part names, but we are trying to export two different configurations. We can solve this quickly by updating the custom naming rule. In this case, I will include the configuration name in the exported part file name, but only when the configuration is not default. This keeps the file names clean for standard parts, while still making outputs unique when multiple configurations are exported from the same file. After finishing the naming rule, I can run the batch export automation safely. Now each output file has a unique name, so I do not have to worry about one exported file overwriting another. Let's quickly verify the file names by starting the automation. Once the export is complete, I can check the generated files and confirm that the configuration names are included only where needed, and that no output files are trying to overwrite each other. That is how Solidise helps prevent duplicate export names before automation starts. Instead of discovering overwritten files after the export is finished, Solidise checks the planned outputs first and gives you a chance to fix naming conflicts early. With naming rules, configuration values, revisions, and folder settings, you can keep batch exports safer, cleaner, and easier to trust.